Hi, today I want to share with you how you can find older versions of DaVinci Resolve software, whether it's Studio or the actual free software. This came to me because I had a friend of mine ask me this. They said, "Hi Nick, thank you for the DaVinci training. I found it very helpful." That's okay. I tried to download DaVinci 20 on my Mac, but I need version 14. She got an older Mac. So I've only got Mac version 12.7.6. I tried to find a link for DaVinci 18 on the app site, but I've not been able to locate it. Please, can you guide me where I can find it? Well, when I get such a lovely request like that, who am I to refuse? First of all, what you need to do is you want to go to the DaVinci Resolve's parent company, which is blackmagicdesign.com. Okay, and it should then take you to the relevant page, no matter what country you are in. Okay, so here we are going to show you. Right, so this is the Blackmagic design website, and you want to come up to support up on the top here. Click on support, and you can see select a product family. So all the DaVinci or Blackmagic things. Here you got DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software. Click on that, and look, you come down and you can see all the latest downloads. This is so cool. And basically you can scroll down and you can have a little drag here. So we've got those in 2025. We can go all the way down back to 2014. Maybe we won't go back that far. But my friend wants DaVinci Resolve 18. So let's scroll up. It won't be too far away. Now you've got them all. So you've got the server, you've got the studio, and what we want is 18. So let's find the right one for her. Keep scrolling. 17 had a lot of updates. Here we go. So this is where you want to be careful. So you've got Fusion Studio, Project Server 18, DaVinci Resolve Studio 18. Those are paid for. The one you want is the free version, DaVinci Resolve 18, 20th of July. And look, if you've got a Mac, you can download it for Mac, Windows, or Linux. Absolutely that simple. So download it and you can use it absolutely fine. So if you've got a Mac or a PC that is a little bit light on processing, I guess, and you need to have an older version, then that is where you find the older version of the software. Now, be careful because, of course, if you've had an updated version and then you're going backwards, you probably lose some elements of your database if you do that. But if you need it, then that's fine. So you can use that. That will be great. That will sort you out. No problem at all. Now, if you want some more DaVinci Resolve training, then please do come over to my free schools community. I've started doing some training there. That is the Digital Income Freedom Hub. Or, of course, you can like and subscribe and hit the notification button to this YouTube channel because I'll be adding more trainings on here. We've got a few older, I think I was using DaVinci 17 for some editing and training back on this platform, but we're going to be adding some new ones in the coming weeks and months. So please do feel free to come and join me. It is free. My name is Nick Wood. So hopefully let me know how you get on. If you needed that download, let me know if it worked for you. Any questions, of course, just put them in the comments. I'm always happy to answer. Okay, whatever you're doing, have an amazing day.